Struggling to get your Verizon Fios E3200 Wi-Fi extender connected and boosting your home network? This is frustrating, I know. First, confirm you have the correct E3200 extender. This model works seamlessly with your Fios router. If you have a different model, the setup process might vary. Position the extender halfway between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi. This ensures a strong initial connection during setup. Make sure they are both plugged in. Press the WPS button on your Verizon Fios router. It's usually on the back or side, and you'll need to hold it down for a few seconds until the light starts flashing. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on your E3200 extender. Again, hold it for a few seconds. Watch the light on the extender. It will likely blink, then turn solid, and eventually turn green. This indicates a successful connection. If it doesn't turn green, try the process again. Open your Verizon Fios mobile app or log into your Fios account online. Check the list of connected devices. The E3200 extender should now be visible and connected. Test your Wi-Fi speed in the area where you originally had issues. You should now experience a noticeable improvement in speed and signal strength. Enjoy seamless Wi-Fi throughout your home.